Hello, and welcome to this set of videos. My name is Chelsea Scott, and I will be presenting with Carolina Mikel. And this set of presentations that will be given were originally written for the OERizona conference, which takes place in February 2026. And the topic of our presentation is exploring Earth's surface and change, hands-on access to lidar topography and classroom activities from OpenTopography. So here is an outline of our presentation, and these will be different playlists on the YouTube recording. We're going to begin with discussing what is topography, and specifically lidar data. I will then discuss why teach topography. I'll then do a brief introduction to OpenTopography, and I'll show you how to access OpenTopography data, for example, different types of LiDAR data. And then the last part of our presentation will be the discussion of a curriculum or community college curriculum that we have developed that focuses on topographic differencing along the shoreline of Lake Michigan. And to get you going about what is LiDAR, here on the right is a picture that shows LiDAR data over the Davis Mountain Air Force Base airplane boneyard in Tucson. And here we can see all of the different planes that are parked and stored here. And so this shows us that we can, with LiDAR data, which typically measures topography, we also do get information about what features are on the ground surface. It looks similar to a photograph.